Hello everyone, this is Brother Flake. I wanted to do a quick recording to help you in case you're having any issues with signing up for the stock market game. So here I am on the Marketwatch website, and what you need to do if you have not created an account, you need to go up to this little screen, this little button here, and either log in to an account that you've already created. And if you have an account with Wall Street Journal or Barron's.com, you would use that account here. If you don't have any of those accounts, you'll need to sign up for an account. So you just click this sign up, click join Marketwatch, and you put all your information in here, your name, your email. It can be whatever email you want to use. Just remember what email you use and remember your password because you will need to remember this. This will be individual to you. And then once you enter all that information, you click submit and you will now be registered, and it should automatically have you logged into Marketwatch. So I'm already logged into Marketwatch now. And now what you can do is you can click on the account settings again, and you need to click on where it says games. So this will take you to the virtual stock exchange game. So your games will be listed here, and I'm already signed up for our stock market game because I created it, but you're going to need to sign up for it. And for some reason, usually when you click this find a game, you can search for our game and you can find it that way, but it's not pulling it up correctly. So this is what I would advise you to do. So in the course modules that are here, go to week 3 and click on where it has the quiz for the stock market game. This is where you mark that you've signed up for the game. And it also has the rules. I'll talk about the rules in just a minute. The best thing to do is to just go here and then click on this URL right here. And this will take you directly to the game. So this is our game homepage. And I'm already signed in because I've already entered in the password, but this is where it will prompt you. If you haven't logged in and signed up yet, it will prompt you to enter the password. This is the password for our game, and it's BYUI123. So that's the password you have to enter. And then once you're in the game, you'll see this screen. And I already did another video that kind of walks through how to use the Marketwatch game, but I also just wanted to show just the different tabs here. This is the overview page, and it'll have the game leaderboard down here. Some people have already signed up, but you can also click on your portfolio to see what's in your portfolio once the game is open. You can click on rankings, and this will show your rankings. Well, it'll show everyone's rankings, sorry, in the game. And then settings, you don't need to worry about the settings tab. I have a few extra things here because I created the game. So that's pretty much how to sign up for the game. So let me just talk a little bit about the rules. So it's important that you do follow these rules. You're going to start with $100,000 and you need to invest at least $80,000 of that and have only $20,000 in cash. Each investment in a company's stock should be between $5,000 to $10,000 so that you do have a degree of diversification. And you should only buy and sell Dow 30 stocks. Your grade for this activity is going to be based on your ranking compared to other people in the class. So the top 20% will get 100% as far as their grade for this portion. That will be added to at the end of the semester. You're going to turn in a game report, and your performance in the game will be added to how well you do on that game report to get a final score. So you can see this is basically just to get everyone to participate in the game. Okay, so that's the video to help you out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I wish you all luck.